Hey, this is Sing, and today I'm going to build another model kit. It is Lightning Buster Gundam ZGMF 103HD Zaft Mobile Suit. Let's begin. And here it is, Lightning Buster Gundam ZGMF 103HD Zaft Mobile Suit. We got the parts and we got the manual. Let's begin building it. And here it is, Lightning Buster Gundam ZGMF 103HD Zaft Mobile Suit. We got a jetpack, some handles. Let's look at the Gundam. So this is a new version of Lightning Buster Gundam, but not a bad design. Plus you have these mobile switches for the blasters. Overall, it wasn't a bad build. Would recommend getting it. Thank you for watching. You guys have a nice day.